And here's I will show you the easiest way to transfer your iPhone files to computer. First of all, you have to connect your iPhone to your computer with the charging cable. Which charging cables comes with your iPhone. So just connect your iPhone with your computer. Now on your computer, open the File Explorer, and in this left-hand menu, click on this PC. Under Devices and Drivers, here you'll find Apple iPhone. Just open it. And here you'll find your iPhone internal storage. Go to your internal storage. And here you'll find your iPhone, all available folders. Now go ahead and open the exact folder in which folder contains your files, photos or videos. Now all you have to need, select one or multiple files and then just copy or cut them. And now you have to go to your computer directory or drive where you want to store your iPhone files. So go to a folder and then just paste your files in your computer. So here, as you can see, I've successfully transferred these 3 files from my iPhone to my computer. Thanks for watching.